Every time you tap your phone to pay, you're using technology that would blow the minds of ancient traders. But here's the wild part. We're still just getting started with digital money. Money started as a simple solution to a complex problem. Imagine you're a farmer with wheat, but you need shoes. The shoemaker wants fish, not wheat. So you need to find someone who wants wheat and has fish, and knows someone who wants fish for shoes. Exhausting, right? That's why humans invented money, first shells and stones, then metal coins, then paper bills representing gold. Each evolution solved the problems of the previous system. But here's what's fascinating. We've been moving toward digital money for decades. Your bank account, just numbers on a computer. Even cash is mostly digital. Only about 8% of global money exists as physical bills and coins. Cryptocurrency isn't replacing money, it's completing money's digital evolution. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies solve the final puzzle. How do you have truly digital money without needing banks or governments to verify every transaction? The answer is blockchain technology, which lets everyone verify transactions together. Think of it this way. If traditional digital money is like email that goes through one postal service, cryptocurrency is like the internet itself. No single company controls it, but everyone can use it. Remember 3 key things. First, money always evolved to solve trading problems. Second, most money is already digital. Only 8% exists as physical cash. Third, cryptocurrency completes this evolution by removing the need for banks or governments to verify every transaction. Ready to dive deeper? Download CryptoNanny and turn learning into a game, compete on the leaderboard, and win real prizes. And don't forget to subscribe for more Academy videos like this one.